Bed Bath and Beyond. Come on.
There you go.
Yes, above 21. Sold more. Yeah,
Filled.
2108. Yes.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, beauty. Look at that beauty.
Yeah,
Wow,
I just played
yeah.
that through 21 too.
Wow, 2106. That's amazing. All right, guys. Good morning, everybody. Markets. I had an amazing day. Thanks to Bbby. Explosive move from below $16, $15, all the way up to $21, and I got most of this move. Really amazing. So let's go over it. Bbby, Bed Bath and Beyond, is a company that is troubled, so a lot of shorts float on that, so there's a lot of people short. And then this is a Wall Street move bet that find this highly shorted the stocks, and if there is some activity going up, it becomes a short squeeze. The biggest one, the favorite of all time, was GME last year. So Bed Bath and Beyond, starting the early August, started some move, and today is just the most amazing move that we had, and I really amazing. I think it's going to go to 21 100%. So what happened here? So at the open I was watching it at the open, sold off a little bit, and then with volume came in. I went long at 16.10 all the way up to 17, added a couple of times, and I got stopped out. And then it came back up again, hold the VWAP, the volume was really good, order flow is amazing. I went long again, added, popped up, and I think here I got out. But eventually, after the volume came in, this really bullish candlestick on 1 minute chart, that was the moment that I went long, heavy, added heavy, all the way up to, added again at 1840, all the way up to 21. Just the high of the day is at 27.83, so almost on there, and I'm still in there. So let's see if he can get that 21. I think it's gonna hit $21. So that was an amazing move. 101 million share trade. So I had a really amazing day on that. So Walmart was another trade that we had. So Walmart at the open, I made a mistake on Walmart that jumped in a little bit too early. Had the earning this morning. Apparently there was some good stuff on the earning call happened. Bed Bath and Beyond is going to go to 21. Yes.
Yeah.
Sell some more here. Sorry, I was going to say that. Yeah, Walmart ran up. Just
going to 21, yeah.
Yeah, it's going to go to 21. I'm going to sell some at 21. Selling. Bed Bath and Beyond. Come on.
There you go.
Yes,
2102.
Sold more. Yeah,
Filled.
2108. Yes.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, beauty. Look at that beauty.
Yeah,
Wow,
I just played that through 21 too.
Wow, 2106. That's amazing. Anyways, so what I was going to say, Walmart was essentially, we did a 5-minute open range break up on it. So I got a stopped out here first on it, and then it came back up, went long again 139. And 139 to 13, we got about 114. So we got this 5-minute open range break up on that. After that, I got out at the break-even point on it. After that, it just came down. I got out of it. Eventually turned out to be a really nice 920 trade. So it came down to the VWAP, touched it to 20 moving average, and popped up. So that was the 920, and now it's trading at the high of the day. So it's up 6%. Really nice. It's going to go to 141. My biggest loss was TQQ. I did a couple of times TQQ. Where is TQQ? Yeah, so the TQQ was at the open, popped up above the VWAP. I went long, got stopped out, and I saw double bottom, went long, got stopped out, and I did it one more time again here, and I got stopped out. So and after that I didn't touch it. So I had 3 losses on TQQ. It was fairly big losses, and that was it. So I had a really amazing day on Bed Bath and Beyond, and show what I did here. So that was a really nice trading on Bed Bath and Beyond. So as you see, my losses on TQQ was big. Walmart was meh really, because I got stopped out on it. And Tesla, I had a break-even trade on Tesla as well. So what's happening on Tesla? So Tesla popped up. I wanted to go to 945, and really I got out of it here. So really didn't do much. So that's it. That's the trading day for me. Brian, how was your day?
Yeah, no, it was good. I didn't, I was a little more, I was a little more trading BBBY, a little more scalpy. I'm just, was trading through whole numbers. I wasn't sticking with it like you. Probably would have been better to do that. But anyway, other than that, I had a nice little short on Walmart at the open. It was kind of volatile for the first, for till in the open. So it kind of, on the second 2-minute candle, it looked like it was going to not go higher. So I shorted it 139.20, and then it dropped back down, down to the VWAP on that first drop, and just covered it. So I got a nice 80-cent move, or 60-cent move, I should say. Other than that, I was I was trading. I traded Walmart. I actually flipped my position, went long, and got it through when it went back through 140, and and then just trading BBBY. So just watching it get squeezed.
Yeah, it's gonna go to 22.
Good morning.
I think it's gonna go to 22. Yeah. This is a definition of a big short squeeze. I think it's gonna go to 22. Let's go above 21.55, 21.50. We'll just sell some. And that's amazing. So today, Peter is gonna have a webinar presentation about trading, and so peak capital trading, guys. I mean, we had really good number of the people. So make sure that if you want to come and build your trade book, including the simulator and journaling tools, so it's $1,500 for 3 months. There's an archive of library of educational video, plus every week you have the mentorship sessions by your captain, and then there's a group mentorship session, private mentorship session, and what else? And then we have a trade book review as well. So you're building a strategy, and you get the reviews on trade book. That's part of that, and hopefully that we can see so many of you. I think we have about 10 spot left or something like that, but I think we're gonna have that 10 spot hopefully by September. It starts September 7. It's all online, guys, and you don't need to really be present, and all of the webinars or mentorship sessions are recorded, so you can actually come and watch them anytime if you can make the times. But the webinars and classes and mentorship sessions are in the evening. So that would turn out to be a really, really nice day, and it's just amazing. So let's see what else we're gonna get into that. Brian. Thanks, Alan. Thanks for mentioning that. So Brian, actually, he's a grandpa now. So Lauren, his daughter, actually had the delivery last night. So it's a daughter, and Brian, congratulations. And,
thank you. Crazy. Another phase of life.
Excellent. All right, guys, have a good day. And LA meetup, guys, we have about 50 people sign up. We have a half a day of presentations where Ardi is going to present, I present, and Mike is going to talk, Megan is going to talk, and Brian also coming. It's really nice. We put the link into the comments if you want to come. Open to everybody. We just need our SVP and sign up because we have a limited space. I think we have about 50 people. It's going to be amazing. Excellent. Thank you so much, guys, and see you all tomorrow morning in the chats, and hopefully see you in person in LA this weekend, guys.
Yeah.